Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see how we can change the background color of the button when the mouse hovers over the button. So friends, in many GUI applications, we have seen after entering the data, when we hover the mouse over the button to click it or submit it, then the background color of the button changes, indicating that the mouse has hovered over the button and it is ready for a click. So in today's session, let's see how we can change the background color of the button when the mouse enters the button. So I've already written the code. Let me run it and show it to you. So this is the screen and this is the button which is saying click me. So now when I move the mouse onto the button, it changes to blue. So the background color of the button changes to blue. Now if I come out of the button, it retains its original color, that is the system color. So how does it work in tkinter? Let's see it with the help of coding. So initially from tkinter, import star win equal to tk, and now let me create my button called button1 equal to button, place it on the main window, and the text on it is equal to click me. Now let me pack my button onto the screen by saying dot pack pad x equal to 100, pad y equal to 100. Now when the mouse hovers over the button, so how do I capture that particular scenario? For this, the same button 1, I'm using the bind method and I'm saying when it enters, when the mouse enters, when the mouse enters the button. So in this scenario, I'll call a function called hover. And now let me define my function called hover. Define hover, and in this I have to change the background color of the button. So let me say button1 of bg represents the background color, equal to blue. And after this, let me call my main event loop, that is win.main loop. So now when I execute this particular code, sorry, the closing parenthesis is missing. Now if I execute the code, let me close all the windows, execute it freshly. So I get my button called click me. And now when I hover over it, it does not change the color. There is some mistake. Hover should take a parameter which is called event, or any variable you can specify. It takes one argument. So now when I run, let me close my previous session. Now if I run the code, if I say there is a button called click me, if I hover over it, it changes to blue color. And if the mouse comes out of the button, even then it will retain the blue color. So when the mouse leaves the button, it should have its original color. So what should we do for that? For that, we have to say button1 dot bind. So the function is leave. So when the mouse leaves the button, that is leave, then it will call the function leave. So again, let me define my function leave. Let me copy the same functionality. and let me say leave. I want the color to be the system generated color for the button, the original color. So I have to give system button face. This is the color generated by the system for the button. So now when I run the code, again this closing parenthesis is missing. So now if I run the code, let me close since I've got two windows. I'm having the button called click me. When the mouse enters into the button or hovers over the button, the color changes to blue. And now when I come out of it, the color becomes the system generated original color itself. So again, if I hover, the color changes. If I come out, it will retain its original color. Or we can make the BG of the button equal to red initially. So when I hover, let it become blue, and when it leaves, let it again become equal to red. So initially I given my button to be red in color. When the mouse hovers over the button, it will call the hover function and will change the color to blue. And when it leaves, it will again retain the red color. So now let's execute and see how it works. So I'm having a red color button. The mouse enters the button, it becomes blue. The mouse leaves the button, it retains its original red color. So friends, hope so it was clear for you how we can change the background color of the button when the mouse hovers over it. This is used in almost all the GUI applications. You might have observed it. So this is how it works in Tkinter. Hope so friends it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notification of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.